Let's review the two-step process to set up discounts in Costbucket POS. First, start by clicking on the inventory icon, then on the left menu select Assign Product Discount. Next, select Default for the default price list in Costbucket, then add the product quantity break. That is the quantity in which the POS will trigger the discount, for example 5 for 5 units. Then add the discount code, for example FD, short for 5 discount, but you can make up anything you want. Then the discount percent to provide example 10 for 10%. Next, click on the Assign Discount to Products button. Then select the single product to assign the discount by selecting Single Product, then select the category in the first drop-down. Select the product and the discount, then the green Submit button. You can repeat this process for single products or add an entire category. Select the entire category in the drop-down and then choose the category. The Products drop-down selection option will not be accessible. So move on to the discounts to be applied, then the green Submit button. Please note that the POS will automatically trigger the discounts on sales by product or by category based on the settings shown here.